guys, it's May 1st in Altoona, PA. Right now, I don't know what the time is, but look at this flooding right now. It's flooding everywhere. It's wet on the ground right now. But look at it. It's flooding. It just started. Probably can't really see the rain, but you can see the cars splashing everywhere. And it's just bad. Everybody's going home. Look at this. Look at this car. Can't really get a good view. Everything's freaking soaked. Look at this. It's just like... Let's stand on here. Look at all these cars splashing everywhere. Woo-hoo! Look at that one.
You'll get views on that.
I know, that's what I'm saying. The car almost just like, woo! Well, guys, I'm going to show a little bit more of this major flooding right now. It's Monday. They said tornado warning. We didn't get a tornado warning, but this is... We didn't get a tornado, but this is pretty bad. No cars passing by. Come on, cars. Tier 1. That one wasn't really... I want to go really fast. Oh, look at that one. This one's going fast. Well, this is kind of really all. I'm going to go a couple more minutes of this. Oh, I just wanted to show you the big flooding. I would go outside, but you can see it's still pouring down. So I can't really go outside. But we're flooding our yard. Big puddles everywhere, guys. And if you're in Altoona, PA, you would know what it feels like right now. I don't know. Yeah, this guy's going slow. I don't know if... Whoa! Oh! I don't know if that was savage. That car just splashed water over that guy. I don't know if in Hollidaysburg or Greensburg, wherever you are, I don't know if there's flooding like this, but comment down below if there is. There's guys going really fast in this. That guy didn't even get a splash. That guy's smart. Some people are not smart. But I'm going to do a couple more minutes of this. I'll just do a couple more minutes of this. I'm not going to talk. I'm going to do 2 minutes, and you guys enjoy. Well, guys, I am so sorry. I just blocked it, and that guy just went through. I'm going to do one more. Well, guys, make sure to subscribe, to like, and to hit the notifications. They're the first one in the world. See you later. Woo!